Hello everyone. So today I'll be talking on the topic necessity of innovation in the legal world. When considering about the Indian judiciary and the legal system, the benefits of innovation can be tailored to access or to address the specific challenges and opportunities in the country's legal landscape. Like there should be efficient solutions because India is having a vast case backlog. So with millions of pending cases in the Indian courts, innovative solutions should be adapted, like e-filing system, virtual hearing system, case management softwares, and that is in practice, but it should be more streamlined so that the court process and the delays could be avoided. And there should be introduction of automation also, like digital tools which can help the court and the legal professionals to handle their routine tasks more efficiently, so that they can have a free time to look into the more complex legal work. They can pay more attention in order to improvise on various grounds. There should be improvised access to justice to the rural and underserved populations, because technology driven legal services can be helpful in that, like if we are having a legal aid app or a tele-law service or any online dispute resolution platform that can provide more access to or can help those individuals who are in the remote areas, who are underserved populations, basically addressing to the India's urban rural divide. And in this process, in the online platform process, there is an affordability also because of the lower cost that will be there, and the pro bono services which can help to make these legal services more affordable, those who are underprivileged, those who cannot afford. Okay, so enhanced client experience can be a third topic on which we can look up to that. India is increasingly moving to the digital environment. So clients are also having different demands from their lawyers. They seek more transparency, seek more accessibility to the things. So there should be platforms that can provide update on those case progress, on the consultation method. No There should be more client satisfaction as a concept, because everybody is not having a time all the time to have a direct conversation with the uh, say or lawyer. So they need a platform on which there can be a ease of consultation, there can be a ease of knowing about the case situation or the progress or where they have landed with the current situation in the case. More digital platforms, seamless services should be provided, lesser documentation work, more of a responsive and accessible legal support should be adapted. On another topic which we should focus about is staying in a competitive environment like law, because it's a ever growing sector in our country. So Indian law firms, especially those which are dealing with the corporate intellectual property technology sectors, they need to adapt the innovative practices to stay competitive. And with both the domestic international firms, innovative models are more helpful, because there will be more tech driven solutions which can provide. And globally we are also seeing with the increased cross border transactions, foreign investments, firms are adapting more and more of global best practices, including technology. And to remain in this competitive world, it is also a necessity to the extent. Then moving ahead with the complex issues, the legal challenges that are there. They are also a part of this. That yes, there are issues like data protection, unavoidable issue, cyber security, unavoidable issue, digital privacy. With all such laws such as IT, Digital Personal Data Protection Act, these challenges have also been to be met. No, there should be more of an innovative legal solution of AI and more of a emphasis on blockchain technology, usage of blockchain technologies, negate these complex issues which are being faced, which might be faced if we are moving towards more of a legal domain. Sorry, more of a innovative domain. So emerging sectors, there are artificial intelligence as a sector, cryptocurrency. Uh, they also are helpful in creating legal strategies which are innovative and which can facilitate more. Okay. So now, when we see these things, there are also platform on which we have to say or we can see a change is that it is more data driven. The field is more requirement of data driven or decision making. Like there are predictable case outcomes in India's legal system where lengthy litigation is a common practice. Data analytics could be helpful in order to predict the case outcomes, to improvise the strategies adapt. So tools like machine learning could be helpful as an assisting in identifying the trends in judicial rulings and streamlining the cases and its preparation. Judicial transparency is one thing that analyzing the large set of judicial data can improve this transparency in the court ruling and can also reduce the discrepancies in the judgments. Now, fostering with the collaboration, the complexities that are there in the Indian regulations that relate to GST or corporate laws or environmental laws. So, collaboration between the legal professionals, experts, and other such teams, other such sectors of finance, technology, environmental science, it can also be helpful in innovation and can promote collaboration through digital platforms and through virtual forums, we can say. Now, initiatives like public-private partnership, legal tech development can foster such collaboration and improve the delivery of the legal service, which is one of the goals that are being set. Now, Indian laws are frequently updated through GSTs and through introduction of such laws. There is a necessity that is there. So ease of doing business, simplifying the regulatory processes through digital platform can help India grow its ranking also by reducing the bureaucratic hurdles many times faced internally and externally as well. So this should be one of the adaptation that should be done. There should be more of a involvement of young lawyers because young lawyers are looking for a more dynamic work environment, more modern work environment. They are more embraced with the technology. So law firms should adapt innovative practices and shall have more flexible work arrangements, digital research tools, AI-based legal support, and more likely to be work friendly so that more and more youngsters can be a part of that. So innovative tools that reduce repetitive tasks can help those lawyers to balance their work life because there is engagement that you don't see a lawyer being relaxed because every now and then they have a task, they have their deadlines to be met. So this work-life balance can be curtailed. This issue can be curtailed through innovative tools. So by embracing innovation in the Indian judiciary and the legal system, it will come to more efficient and accessible and responsible way of evolving the as a need of the society, and we have a more systematic way of facing these challenges. India is a place where these innovative approaches can be helpful. It is in its beginning stage. So the more and more better transformative role we can play, uh, it can also set an example for the world as we are adapting. So there are such points on which we can be a demonstrated country, demonstration through us, where we have in coming era, if we have a tele-law program, we have those no national judicial data grid in a real-time example of that. A online dispute resolution system, like it happens in the banks all the time. So these can be such advancement which we can move on to, and these things like virtual courts, AI, or blockchain, these innovations address long-standing accessibilities, and bring it will bring definitely it will bring more efficiency in the legal system. Thank you.